Hello my friends, Antrade here, bringing you another video. As usual, binary options is the theme of today's video. Today we are going to be trading using multiple indicators. Now this strategy is a bit more complex than the strategies we usually have in here, but more indicators just simply give you more confirmation, more things to see, so you have a higher chance of getting into a trade and winning. So this strategy is extremely accurate. It uses 4 indicators, and I'm going to go through how we interact with each one of those and how we're looking to find our entry. So without further ado, let's get to it. But also, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to make money daily, how to save money, how to learn when to trade, where to trade, and how to make the most out of each trading session that you do. We have daily trading sessions in my trading group. We have daily tutorials, news breakdowns, trading robots, everything that you need. So check it out. Link is in the description below, or send me a message on Telegram at Antrade_pro. I'm available almost all day. So check it out, give it a shot, see for yourself how easy you can start making money online already today. And now let's delve into the strategy, and let me show you what you can achieve today with a simple couple of indicators and how they play off each other. Let's go. Alright guys, so before we get into trading, let me show you the settings for the strategy. So first thing, moving averages. You want 2 of those. First one with the period of 4, type EMA, and for the styles we go yellow, 2 pixels thickness. Now the second one is going to be period 17, type EMA, styles 2 pixels, and we have a blue color. So there it is. For the next one, we have parabolic SAR. We're looking for acceleration to be at 0.028 and maximum acceleration at 0.28. So set those up as well. And the last but not least, we have stochastic oscillator. K period is going to be 16, D period 3, smoothing period 3, moving average, EMA, styles, just keep it as it is. So now let's look for an opportunity to enter a trade off of these indicators, and I'm going to explain what you are looking for when you are. All right, so here's our first trade. We're gonna place a couple of thousand here, and let's look at why we're doing that. So first thing that you see is we have our short-term moving average crossing a long-term in the upwards direction, which is a signal of an uptrend. But also at the same time as the cross has occurred, we have parabolic SAR printing us the dots below the price action, so that is also a sign of an uptrend that is coming. And also stochastic oscillator bouncing off of the oversold position and going upwards into the overbought position. So we arrive nicely here and should be securing a win. There it is. This is what I've been waiting for. This is the candle I've been waiting for, and we should be finalizing now our trade in just a couple of seconds and getting the nice profit here. That should be 2.7, like maybe $2,600 off of this trade. So as you can see, when these indicators are interacting off of each other, you get an insane prediction rate on every single trade that you do. So let's continue. Let's find another couple of trades. Now we're looking for the crosses on moving average. If moving average is yellow moving average crossing the blue moving average in a downwards direction, this is our first signal that we have a short-term change of trend and a downtrend. Now parabolic SAR, our second confirmation, we start to see the dots being printed below. That means we're in an uptrend. Above means we are going into the downtrend. Short-term price change, the price gonna be moving down. Stochastic oscillator, also look at this. This is important. When you are seeing that stochastic oscillator is going into overbought condition, which is above level 80, and that aligns with dots being above and moving average crossing in a downwards direction, that is your sell position entry. And that is super cool because you will learn, you will start seeing these things happening within a few seconds, and you're going to be entering super fast and making that split decision to get you some money. So trust me, once you actually get a hold of this strategy, you are going to be running through the market, grabbing every single potential deal and making money off of it. So let's try to find here another entry. Here I'm expecting a cross maybe, so let's see if that actually happens. We might need to wait for another candle. And by the way, speaking of candles, we have 10-second candles here, so look at that. I think we are gonna place 3,000 here initially, wait for the price to drop. We already have the cross, and now I'm gonna do my big entry. This is my time to shine here. This is my entry. This is where I place all the money, because I know that the price is not gonna go down much more than it already has. So we're looking for a massive, a god green candle that will bless us with all this profit here. And once again, we have the dots from Palomar XR printed below, which is a sign of an uptrend. We have a potential cross. It's very close here, so I might have been a bit preemptive here, so might actually not pay out in the long run for us here. But also stochastic is in oversold condition, which is also a sign of an uptrend. So we caught it pretty well, and hopefully this actually works out for us. We need another green candle, and that would be super lovely for us to close out the deal with all this profit. But of course, not every trade you're gonna win, not everything going to go according to your plan. But as you can see, the strategy once again comes out on top, and we're securing a massive amount of profit with one single trade. We make almost $10,000 just right there, and you can see how crazy we went, absolutely dominating the market with 2 trades. And you don't need to make a lot of trades, all it takes is just a couple of them. You go into the market, you choose your battles, you choose your trades, you look if everything lines up perfectly, go in, place your money. But also remember, 1 to 5% no matter the amount of money that you have available. So always place 1 to 5% of your available funds. Don't go over that. Make sure that you're sticking to the plan. Make sure that you're trying to make money and that you are locked in. Don't revenge trade. If something is not going your way, step away, take a breather, come back. So this is extremely important if you want to stay on top of the market. Don't just blindly go in. Follow a strategy, learn how to interact with indicators, use the tools that are necessary for every trader nowadays to your advantage. AI, trading robots, we have all of them in my trading group, so check out the link in the description below. And also, if you want to trade with me, if you want to receive the signals from me and my team every single day, then make sure to send me a message on Telegram at Anttrade_pro. We do this every single day from Monday to Sunday. That's a lot of work that we put into providing people with high quality trading signals. We break down those trades, we explain those trades, so you always have an insight of what was happening, how this trade came to life. So make sure to check that link in the description below. I appreciate you for watching, and of course, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.